If you're looking for the easiest ways to make money in 2025, and especially if you're a complete beginner, this video is for you. Please don't touch the dial. Are you there and you want to make your side income, or you want to make them your major source of income? Today, we're going to be looking at 5 to 10 ways of making money online in 2025, the easiest ways. Now, these are completely easy. Everyone can do it, whether it's just a 15-year-old boy or girl, or you're a dropout, you're a housewife, you're at home, you can use these ones. Ramadan Kareem, blessed day, happy new day, and praise King Jesus. You guys, I'm bringing for you a print of beginner-friendly ways to make money online, and this is how we're going to start with. I just need you to be focused. I need you to have your smartphone, of which I know you have as you're watching me. I need you to be sure that you'll be having data or you have access to data and internet. The rest is your mindset. We're going to be going through these ways. Don't be there and you fail and you have an excuse that you don't have capital. No, you don't need capital. The capital is you and what you want to fight against. We want to fight lack. As I always tell you that in Market Show, we say you shouldn't lack money when you have a smartphone. And in this 2025, a lot of opportunities are coming up as far as what I'm going to be discussing with you is concerned. So do you want to make $100? Do you want to make $50? Here together, we are going to dive in and see what are these ways. The first way is social media product flipping. When we talk about social media product picking, this is one of the easiest low-cost ways to make money, and it's only getting bigger in 2025. How do you do it, and how does it work? You find trending or discounted products locally or online. You think of it. Just sit down and think of the products you want to trade in. Either they can be in fashion, they can be gadgets or home items. I've done this. This is why I'm recommending it and I'm bringing it as the first one, and I'm giving it 8 out of 10 because I made more than 1 million Ugandan shillings just using this method of social media product flipping. The second way is for you to go ahead and you list it on social media platform. I used this method and I used to flip them on Facebook, on my status, that is WhatsApp status, and even I would go as far as putting them on TikTok and Instagram. So you list these products on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, TikTok Shop, or even WhatsApp groups. You guys, if you know you're there and you don't know how to list these products on Facebook, please go to Marketplace. Just navigate and see where Marketplace is. As I always tell you, here I give you 1% of the knowledge and of the skills. The 99% you make it for yourself. But if you want to get the details and if you want to be a pro by knowing step by step, you can register for masterclass. The third way to do this is to go and start advertising for them. Once somebody buys, you either ship directly to them or you do a quick local delivery. I do this. I've done this through delivery services, and even sometimes I deliver them myself. What exactly do you think how much do you think you can earn on this? With a bit of practice, you can easily turn a $50 into $200 profit in a single week. If you know you have been doing this flipping of products on social media, please let me know by putting it in the comment section. Let's go to the second one. The second one is all-powered freelancing. All-powered freelancing, don't worry if you're not a technical expert. You don't have to be a degree holder in tech for you to do this. In 2025, there are hundreds of AI tools that help beginners like you and me to offer services like logo design, simple video editing, AI generated writing, and social media post creation. You can sign up for sites to trade these products as far as freelancing is concerned, like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. And with AI assisting you, you can deliver quality work even if you are not a brand right now. The third one is affiliate marketing for beginners. Another super beginner friendly method is affiliate marketing. This means you promote products online and get paid every time someone buys through your link. How do you do this? We have been talking about this. It is beginner friendly, and in 2025, now this one of affiliate marketing is going beyond. Please be part of it and make sure you earn yourself some bucks. You guys, this is a disclaimer. These bucks is not that you're going to go and buy Burj Khalifa, you're going to buy your limousine, you're going to pay the 10,000 dirham of maybe in 1 month for your driving permit in Dubai. No, but at least you'll be having some money at your exposure. You'll be having some money in your pocket. Then with time, if you know how to do it, you'll start talking about the 6-figure dig it. So how do you do this? You share products recommended by you on TikTok and even Instagram. You can even go up to YouTube and Facebook. You post reviews on social media. You even share links with friends and followers. How do you get this? You can join affiliate marketing associate programs like Amazon and even ClickBank. And in 2025, more brands are offering affiliate programs than ever before. Some pay up to 50% commission per sale, so go in for it. The fourth is digital product reselling. This is great product for beginners. Digital product reselling is everywhere nowadays. You sell ready-made digital products like ebooks, planners, templates, and even online courses. You don't need to create them yourself. You can buy resale rights. You can buy resale rights or partner with creators and sell their products for your commission. There is no need for inventory, no shipping. Just what you need there is your profit. The fifth is content creation, which I'm doing now, even without showing your face. But why shouldn't you do your face if you want to have a brand? But if you know it is your second, third channel, you can also put you can put faceless. And finally, you people, content creation, even if you're in camera shy, I know it is always like that when you're beginning, because I remember some of my students at the beginning, but now they can show their faces. In 2025, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, these ones are still paying highly to creators. These ones are giving big money. When I'm here, I'm telling you I'm earning some good bucks of money. That's why I come and show up every day. Don't say wow. And you don't even need to show your face if you don't need to. What you need to do is you need to create. You create text-based explainer videos, faceless tutorials, slideshow styles, content with voiceovers, and there you are, ready to get money. Now, this is a pro tip. You guys use AI tools. With AI tools and free apps, anyone can create a viral video that brings in ad revenue, sponsorship, and even affiliate sales. What announced me, the video that announced me, by the way, I used AI tool. Though I put my face, but it was voiceover, and the extract was from AI. You guys, so here we are with free products and even offering AI-powered services, promoting affiliate products, reselling digital items, and creating content. 2025 is full of easy opportunities to make money, even if you are starting from scratch. So whether you want one of these products, if you really want to make money in 2025, there is no excuse. You guys, I don't think there's any excuse. If you know you have an excuse of not making money, of not starting something for yourself, can I kindly see it in the comment section, and we also tackle it from there. This has been good talking to you about these friendly and easiest ways in 2025 to make money. Let me see you in another video. Bye-bye.